Hey everyone, welcome back to Howdy Nurse. Today we are going to talk about anatomy and physiology of blood. So our today's agenda is introduction to blood, composition of blood, functions of blood, blood circulatory system, hematopoiesis, blood cell formation, blood disorders and diseases, blood test and diagnostics, conclusion, key takeaways. Introduction to blood. Understanding its essence and functions. Definition. Blood is a specialized bodily fluid consisting of cells, plasma and various solutes and circulates through the cardiovascular system, providing critical functions to maintain homeostasis. Importance in human body is that it plays a vital role in sustaining life by delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to tissues, removing waste products and functioning into the immune defenses through leukocytes. Overview of body functions. Blood is responsible for multiple functions including transportation, regulation and protection, which are essential for maintaining health and homeostasis. Blood serves as fundamental fluid of life in human body, essentially functioning as transport medium for various vital substances. It carries oxygen from lungs to tissues while bringing back carbon dioxide for exhalation. Additionally, it has a reservoir for nutrients, hormones and minerals. Through its intricate composition, blood is also vital for thermoregulation and homeostatic maintenance, influencing pH levels and immune activities as it contains cells specifically designed for defense. Moving on to composition of fluid. Composition of fluid, the building blocks of blood. Plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Plasma components and functions, the liquid matrix of blood comprising water, electrolytes, proteins, nutrients and hormones, waste products. It's crucial for transportation and maintaining blood pressure and volume. Red blood cells, structure and role. Erythrocytes are biconcave disc-shaped cells without nuclei, rich in hemoglobin, which facilitates the efficient transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. White blood cells, types and functions. Leukocytes are vital components of immune system and include various types such as neutrophils, lymphocytes and monocytes, each with distinct roles in combating pathogens and mediating immune responses. Platelets role in clotting. Thrombocytes are cells fragments that play a key role in homeostasis by adhering to damaged body of the blood vessels, adhering to the damaged blood vessels and aggregating to form clots and thereby preventing excessive bleeding. Now, understanding the blood composition is pivotal in grasping how it functions within the body. Plasma, as fluid component, carries cells and vast myriad of solutes, crucial for homeostasis. Meanwhile, the red blood cells, with their oxygen transporting capacity, are vital for respiration, while white blood cells act as sentinels against infection. Additionally, platelets are essential players in wound healing and preserving vascular integrity. Each element within the blood plays a harmonic role, demonstrating complexity of its fluid. Moving on to functions of blood. These are having essential role in body transportation of nutrients and oxygen. Blood efficiently delivers vital substances including glucose, amino acids, and gases to tissues while simultaneously transporting metabolic byproducts to excretory organs. Regulation of body temperature. Blood plays a crucial role in regulating thermoregulation, distributing heat generated by metabolic process and hence maintaining a stable core temperature. Immune response and defense. Leukocytes in blood orchestrate immune responses by targeting and neutralizing pathogens, illustrating the blood active role in the body's defense mechanism. Clotting mechanism. Blood coagulation involves a series of complex biochemical events leading to clot formation, which is vital for preventing blood loss following vascular injury. Blood serves four key functions that are critical for sustaining the human organism. It is primary means of transporting essential nutrients, gases and hormones to cells and tissues. Furthermore, regulating its regulatory function, blood assists in stabilizing body temperature and pH levels, both of which are vital for optimal cellular function. Its immune properties are equally important, enabling the body to efficiently defend against pathogens and diseases. Lastly, the clotting mechanism developed within the blood are integral to injury management and minimizing the blood loss. Moving on to blood circulation system, the pathway of blood flow. Overview: a complex network comprising of heart, blood vessels, blood that ensures distribution of nutrients, gases, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Heart's role in blood circulation: the heart contracts rhythmically to pump blood, functioning as a dual pump for systemic and pulmonary circulation, thereby maintaining continuous blood flow to all body parts. Artery, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood away from the heart, veins return deoxygenated blood, and capillaries serve as exchange site for nutrients and gases at cellular level. The circulatory system is a vital component of physiological homeostasis, consisting of heart and blood vessels that transport blood throughout the body. The heart has a muscular pump is essential for generating circulation, propelling blood throughout a vast system of arteries and veins. Each type of blood vessel has a specialized role. Arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood while veins return deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest and most abundant vessels, serve as critical sites for metabolic exchange, emphasizing the intricate interdependence of the system. Hematopoiesis, the blood cell formation. The dynamic process of blood production. Process of blood cell production, hematopoiesis, is the process through which pluripotent stem cells in the bone marrow differentiate into various types of cells, including erythrocyte, leukocyte, and platelets. Location of hematopoiesis primarily occurs in the bone marrow in adults, within the liver and spleen, playing supportive role during the fetal development and certain pathological conditions. Regulation of blood cell development. This process is tightly regulated by various factors and cytokines that guide the differentiation and maturation of the blood cells according to the physiological needs. Hematopoiesis is highly regulated and dynamic process for sustaining body's blood supply. This sequence begins with hematopoietic stem cells located in the bone marrow, which possess potential to differentiate into the multiple blood cell lineage. The regulation of this maturation process is critical for ensuring adequate number of each blood cell type, with various signaling molecules orchestrating the transitions between precursor stages and fully functioning cells. Understanding hematopoiesis sheds light on how our bodies respond to changing demands for blood cells. Blood disorders and diseases. Common hematological conditions, they are anemia, leukemia, and clotting disorders. So anemia causes and affects a condition characterized by insufficient red blood cells or hemoglobin, leading to reduced oxygen delivery. It can arise from nutritional deficiencies, chronic diseases, or genetic conditions. Leukemia, types and symptoms, a group of cancer affecting blood cells production in the bone marrow characterized by overproduction of abnormal white blood cells, presenting a range of symptoms including fatigue, frequent infections, and easy bruising. Hemophilia and thrombosis. Hemophilia is an inherited disorder affecting its clotting factor production while thrombosis involve abnormal clotting formation that lead to a serious complication such as stroke or pulmonary embolism. Blood disorder encompass a wide range of conditions that can severely affect an individual's health and functionality. Anemia, for instance, is characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin, which leads to inadequate oxygen transport, manifesting in fatigue and weakness. Conversely, leukemia encompasses various blood cancers that disrupt normal blood cell development, leading to elevated risk of infection and complication. Moreover, conditions like hemophilia and thrombosis highlight the delicate balance of coagulation within the body, with presenting significant health risk when the natural process of blood clotting are disrupted. Coming on to blood test and diagnostics tools for evaluating blood health. Common blood tests are CBC, blood typing, complete blood count, assess overall blood health measuring various components like red blood cells, white blood cells, while blood typing is crucial for safe transfusion and organ transplantations. Interpreting blood test results and understanding of clinical significance is critical for guiding diagnosis and treatment decisions based on parameters like hemoglobin levels, leukocyte count, and platelet functions. Importance of regular blood testing. Routine blood testing is vital for early detection of potential health issues, monitoring chronic conditions, and guiding therapeutic interventions, underscoring its role in preventive medicine. Blood testing is an invaluable tool in modern medicine, providing critical insights into an individual's health status. Tests such as complete blood count deliver comprehensive information regarding the cellular component of blood, allowing clinicians to identify abnormalities that could signal underlying condition. Moreover, routine testing is prioritized as a part of preventive healthcare strategies, enabling early detection of diseases before they progress. Understanding how to interpret these results is essential for clinicians in forming accurate diagnosis and treatment plans. Conclusion. Key takeaways. Summary of blood functions. The multifaceted roles of blood encompasses transporting essential substances, regulating bodily processes, defending against pathogens, and facilitating wound healing through clotting. Importance of maintaining healthy food. Maintaining optimal blood health is critical for overall well-being. Factors like diet, dehydration, and regular medical checkups can enhance blood quality and function. Future direction in blood research. Advancement in the blood-related research such as gene therapy and regenerative medicine hold the promise of curing conditions and enhancing therapeutic strategies of blood disorders. In summary, blood is not merely a fluid but a dynamic essential element of human life that contributes significantly to transportation, regulation, and defense. Maintaining the healthy food is paramount for sustaining life and overall well-being, and advances in medical research offer exciting possibilities for understanding and treating blood-related disorders. As we move forward, embracing innovations in blood health research will pave the way for groundbreaking therapies and improved patient outcomes. So that's it for this video. Let us know your questions and viewpoints in comments. Thank you.